Hi friends, happy Dussehra. Welcome to DURGASOFT. My name is Ratan. So most of the guys knows myself. Guys, I'm here to give some information like Dussehra offer batches. I'm going to start Dussehra offer batches, offline batches. Because Python is 1 week class, Python which starts from this Monday 3rd October 8 AM to 1 PM and we'll start like Spring Boot with microservices. This is also 1 week class which is like 4 PM to 8 PM, right? 4 PM to 8 PM. Yes, please everyone try to use this opportunity because maybe you've done the BTech. Maybe in the BTech students in the college, we have the academic year, we have the Python, right? So maybe you don't have the time to attend the classes on regular days. And this Dussehra 1 week holidays are there, right? Try to use these holidays and try to attend the class. Definitely within the 1 week, I'll give the full clarity about what exactly Python, and definitely you feel happy after the 1 week classes. That responsibility is myself. Just these holidays, instead of making like enjoyment, you can enjoy. So you see 8 to 1, you can take the Python classes. After that, you can enjoy. It's not like take the complete classes and all. But anyhow, once if you learn the subject, after the learning the subject, you get some feeling, right? That feeling is important. That's what try to use these holidays as the guys who are working people, the guys who are like BTech students. Otherwise, these days like 10th class students, they have the Python course. Intermediate students. For everyone in regular days, 2 months, 3 months, they are taking like they're taking the classes. But definitely within 1 week, I'll give the full clarity about with real time scenarios. With full clarity, I'll give this all the points. So within 1 week, how to clear clarity? Definitely it's possible, it's possible. It's not, nothing is impossible, right? Yes, definitely it's possible, just your responsibility attend the classes 1 week. Definitely at the end of the day, end of the class, definitely you feel happy. Within this 1 week, we are getting more subject. Most of the guys maybe already planned for the home, already tickets are booked. Okay, the guys who are going to enjoy, so enjoy, it's not a problem. But after BTech, you need to focus on job. Your job is enjoyment, not like Dussehra festival, not like Sankranti festival, right? Festivals will come, it's fine. But you complete BTech means what? Be focused about the subject. Be focused about what? Subject. Try to get the job. Once you will get the job, every day is what? Every day is enjoyment, right? So if you have the money in your hand, every day is enjoyment. Every day you can go to the pub and parties. Every day you will enjoy. All about the money, right? That's what, guys. My intention is try to use that offer batch like 1 week class. Definitely within 1 week you will get the clarity about the complete Python. And maybe some students you attend the classes, 2 months classes, 3 months class of Python. Maybe some faculty is irregularity, you guys are irregular. Maybe some cases you are irregular, some not possibility. You may not attend the classes, all the classes. So this 1 week class, you can fix for the 1 week class and join the class. In 1 week we will spend on Dussehra. At the end of the day, I'll give the complete practical knowledge about whatever Python. Yes, I'll tell you one small point. Maybe you guys are complete Python. So I'll ask one small question. Even for the students, the guys who are looking for the Python, we don't have the chance to learn like regular days. This is a very good opportunity to you guys. So golden opportunity to you guys. Try to attend the class. Definitely you will get the clarity. No worries about that. Maybe most of the guys, you see, you complete Python. I'll ask some 2-3 questions, not more than that. Just 2-3 questions I'll ask. You try to answer. Okay. Maybe if you know for loop syntax, you know for loop syntax. You know while loop syntax. Python we have the for loop and while loop, right? You know for loop syntax, you know while loop syntax. But I'll ask the question is what? Tell me the scenario, when to use for loop, when to use while loop. When to use for loop, when to use while loop. If you are able to respond, okay, fine, you are learning proper way. But if you are not able to respond, no use, right? Knowing the syntax for x in a range of 10, printing like good morning 10 times data is printed, it's not like that, right? So we have to know, sir, this is a scenario I need to take for my for loop, this is a scenario I need to take my while loop. We have to explain the scenario. So experienced people never ask the question that what is the list, what is the tuple, like that, right? They'll ask like scenario, when to use for loop, when to use while loop, then tell me the situation. Yeah, that clarity. Every point in the real time how to use, I will discuss with you. One more question, no? Yeah, one more question is what? Tell me about, you know, instance variable, static variable. Python is object orientation, right? Instance versus static variable. Tell me what is the difference, when to choose instance variable and what variables are suitable for the static variable. So what variables are instance and what type of variables are what are static. Assume like if you take the employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee location, employee address, something like that. Which variables are eligible for the instance, which variables are eligible for the static? Tell me the question. You get the point, right? Yeah, these are the real time scenarios. So every topic we need to learn the real time scenarios. In 1 week I'll explain this all the concepts with the real time scenarios. It's not like printing the num1 equal 10, num2 equal 20. Python is simple, Python is completed. It's not like that. We have to know the scenarios. When to use for loop, when to use while loop. What is the difference between instance variable and static variable? Python scripting level, how to use in real time. So you got the point, right? Yeah, like that. So if you, that is up to you. If you want, you can enjoy the 1 week. Dussehra holidays, I mean, enjoy. No problem, you can enjoy. Later we can decide. But see guys, still your father and mother is working from the lands for the 500 rupees, 600 rupees. You guys have done the BTech. This is not right time to enjoy the things. Yes or no? Still your father and mother is working on the lands for the 500, 300 rupees. You said like Dussehra festival holidays, going to home without knowing the subject and knowledge. Yes or no? That's what, be prepared. You complete the graduation, looking for the job, try to use this opportunity, try to get the things to be done. Then once if you get the job, your complete family is happy, you are happy, complete. Money is everything here. Once if in your hand money is there, next week, next we have the Sankranti festival, again 1 week holidays are there. Festivals will come, keep on will come the festivals. Okay, so try to use this opportunity. So within 1 week you will get the real time scenarios about the Python and all. Definitely after 1 week you feel happy. I will take care about that point because I am taking money from you guys. Then I need to give some knowledge to you, right? Okay, think about once. You are paying money. Then here we need to work hard and we need to give the real time scenarios to you guys. You are paying the money means what? We are working hard here. The same way you are paying money means you have to work hard. And you paid 10,000, you have to know what I learned today. At the end of the day, what I learned, how much I paid, what I am doing, whether this knowledge is enough for to get the job or not. Whether this knowledge is good enough to get the job or not. Check this all the points, ma. At the end of the day, you are attending morning 1 class, evening 1 class, night 1 class, all classes, you are not doing the practicals, you are not getting the job, still your father and mother looking for your success. But you don't have the knowledge. See, in my classes, just what I am saying practically, what I am talking, so that based on the talking you can understand what Ratan sir here. I don't need to say I am the great, I am that, I am this. Based on my talking you can understand, right? So no, based on the words what he is talking, you can decide what is character, right? The main thing, so try to use the opportunity, try to take the 1 week classes, try to, because 8 to 1 continuously we will sit and 1 hour gap, we will sit and we will talk and we will discuss and we will get the subject. It's not like I have to teach you how to listen. It is not going to work out. So everyone try to use this opportunity, attend the classes 8 to 1, and if you want Spring Boot classes 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Definitely 4,000 worth of money. Don't think about the money, think about knowledge. Think about what? Knowledge. So you got the point, right? So one final point from my side, when you are attending some classes, you are paying some money, think about I paid this much, how much subject I am getting, number 1. You paid 30,000, 10,000, okay, 3,000. Okay, I paid something, I have to get subject, whether I am getting subject or not. Sir, I am not getting subject, sir, I am not understanding. Then why you paid? Then why you paid? Even your father and mother is still looking for what? Is waiting for your success. They are thinking that my daughter is learning like Python, other courses. Okay, she will get the job. My son is working, like taking the courses, definitely will get the job. They are thinking like that, but you are coming here, no knowledge. It's not like that. We have to know the real time scenarios. See in my material, so here, this is a syllabus, general syllabus copy is there. So this is a syllabus copy. Here I mentioned clearly real time scenarios of real time uses of above operations, real time uses of above statements, real time use of what? Above statements. We have to know the real time exactly where it will be used, right? Yes or no? Yeah, PEP standards, Python enhancement proposal. This is completely real time standards while writing the code. Real time standards while writing the code, right? Exactly. Guys, like that we have the multiple things, no worries about that. So finally my intention is what? Try to use this opportunity, try to get the subject. The students who are working, like who are going to the colleges, this 1 week try to spend on knowledge. Definitely you feel happy after getting the subject. You will get some feeling, right? That feeling important. Even 10th class students, intermediate students, these days for everyone, even 7th class, in the morning I will take the US classes about the Python. The 7th class, 8th class kids taking the Python classes. Sir, I am intermediate, Python not Python mandatory. Students take the Python classes. Okay, the most important thing, graduate people, the completed BTech, still no job. These are very important. This is not right time to enjoy. This is not right time to enjoy. Take the class. Number 3, maybe you already done the Python. Maybe you are irregular. Maybe some faculty is irregular. Something you are not able to get subject. This is the right time to use that opportunity. 4th, sir, I know already Python some basics. We need to refresh your knowledge. 4th category people. No sir, I am planning to take the Python course. 2 months is not required. If you have the skill, go for 1 week class. No sir, slowly I will go 2 months classes, 3 months class, or 6 months. This is semester, 6 months. They are spending outside 6 months of Python. This is not semester, right? You got the point, right? So finally the conclusion is, everyone attend the classes, try to get some knowledge. 1 week is good enough. It's not like 1 week 8 to 1 we will sit in the class. We will try to get the complete subject and with real time scenarios. Okay, don't waste the time. Still your father and mother is working on the lands for 300-500 rupees. They are waiting for your success. Once you will get success, then life is cool. Thank you guys. Please, we will meet on 3rd October 8 a.m. for the Python, 4 p.m. for the Spring and Spring Boot classes. So thank you guys. Bye.